Office in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ellis County and north central Texas until 5:30 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Italy, or 10 miles southwest of Waxahachie, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Waxahachie and Oak Leaf around 5:20 p.m. Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, and DeVille around 5:25 p.m. Cedar Hill around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pecan Hill. This includes Interstate 35 east between mile markers 387 and 410. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.